Want to delete your Netflix watch history on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove your Netflix viewing activity with ease. Let's get started. First, open Netflix on your iPhone. Tap on the profile that you want to check the watch history of. From the bottom, go to My Netflix tab, tap Account from here. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Data Settings. Tap on it. After that, tap on Viewing Activity. Here, you'll see your entire Netflix watch history. To delete a specific title, tap the circle with the line icon or the hide icon next to it. After that, this show or movie will be gone from your history. If you want to delete all titles at once, scroll to the bottom. Tap Hide All and confirm your choice. That's it. Now you know exactly how to delete your Netflix watch history on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.